In today's video, I'll teach you how to change language on Hopper app. First of all, launch open Hopper application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, English language is selected. So if you want to change the language, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the profile interface. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find the options like language, currency, help center, etc. Right next to the language, you'll be able to see the language that is selected right now. You can see over here right now English language is selected. So if you want to change it, what you have to do is simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, English system default. Simply tap on the option system default. Now after that, system default language will be selected over here. That means whatever language is selected on your device, that language will be selected for the Hopper application as well. Right now my system default language is English, that's why I'm being able to see the English language over here. But if your system default language is any other language, the language on this application will also be changed. So that is how you change language on Hopper app. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.